Hakasin ka ba nyngkong haka history nagabanta ka jylla Meghalaya ka kynhun myntri jong ka jylla kalalum lang ringkat berkipang jeng keren bala hekilay tylli ktien English kasi bat garu. Unang ktien jong ka sorkar wailat miki shilla ulo ang bakani ka de ka senjam ka badan jeng mud ban penklan ya ka jengas no lang hak ktien baper bat ban penparu ya ki jeng angnu jong ka jylla ban pendong ya ka kasi bat garu haka banta ka bapra schedule jong ka constitution.
To come up for any language, but since you bring in the issue of language, I was so happy and I almost completely miss it. But I think this today is a cabinet is a kind of a historic one where the agenda note is on 3 different language. So I have the agenda note of in Khasi also. Yes, here you can see Kimat Bakongsan formal item. This is a agenda note of today's cabinet where it is in Khasi, and as well in Garo. So all 3 language is there. So I think it's a big thing and it's a big achievement for the state, and I think it's gonna benefit large for the people of the state. And I think this is also one of the issue where I think we are showing that we are fully concerned regarding raising and pushing for the inclusion of the Khasi under the 8th schedule.
In future, Penal can be also associate language. There will be movement for that. For Penal to be associate official language.
Definitely, I think it's up to the people from that region. So I think since they already pushed for the alphabet and other things, so I think the final move will be for that only.
But will you push from your side also?
Yeah, as a